What's going on, traders? John with Tactical Trading here. I have a video here about a company. We mentioned this earlier on the OTC Saturday video, but do want to do a little bit of a deeper dive into this company. This is Human Unite Tech International, HMNU. This one closed at 0.038, up 59% on Friday. We finally got the charts to work, so I'm going to take a look at the chart here. This thing has looks like it close to double topped here in the mid fours. Kind of broke through that here on the second round up. Looks like it's been very, very strong the last 3 days. Picked up huge volume. In fact, probably if you look at the max, I mean, this is the most volume it's ever had. So we know we have some volume going on here. 3 days have been very, very strong. Had a decent pullback, as you could see on this top wick on Friday. But the same thing happened on Wednesday and Thursday as well too, and then just blew up the following day. This thing seems to be getting noticed, and I think if we take a look here, again, 61 million in volume. If we take a look at the security details, this thing only has the authorized shares 900 million, outstanding shares 881 million or 882 million, of which 580 are restricted. So the unrestricted shares are 302 million, with only 256 at the DTC and an 85 million float, which was verified on February 22nd. The company is pink current, so that's very good here, so we don't have to worry about anything with that. The company's or worry about getting filings or anything of that nature coming in. So let's take a peek here. This is actually the first website that I was looking at just the other day, and it shows that Human Unite Tech International, HMNU, they're into telecommunications, internet and fiber optics, medical, sports and wellness, green energy and environment, and also with the foundation. It looks like they're tied with the United Nations with this foundation here. But regardless, I took a look, and they have actually another website that they just recently, it looks like they just recently updated. A much cleaner, sharper website, new logo, looking really good here. It says HMNU is a leader on the green energy industry, as a builder of a 20-ton tire and plastic recycling plant, unique for technology and price on the global market. On November 25th, the company delivered the first HMNU 20-ton plant to Seta Green Energy SRL in Portolo, Torres, Italy. Again, another portion of the HMNU is a leader on the medical industry for its MSK kinesis technology and protocols for pain management therapies. Therapies and protocols have been adopted as Parkinson remedies and are important for the prevention of blood clot and thrombosis. Also, HMNU is distributing in USA and Canada all MSK kinesis equipment, protocols for therapies for pain management, and is cooperating with REYOU, a Swiss global leader of stem cell research and applications. Now, they also have a company profile to download here on the website. Talks about some of their green energy initiatives, their wins, and also their landfill technology. It says on June 2016, Human Unitech completed the acquisition of Grown Technology and started to build a HMNU technology, a versatile waste sorting center that acts not only as a recycling center, but also as a power plant aimed at eliminating the need for landfills. Let's take a look here. They have been quite active this year as far as on the PR front. Back in March, it says that they have DTC eligibility. They were paying current on OTC markets, and equity stake in Seta Green Energy anticipated to bring over $600,000 per year into the coffers. They had a couple of company updates, and this is what really kind of caught my eye. Is Human Unitech International announces strategic acquisition of substantial shares of Lakeland Group Limited and the property blockchain trade token collateralized with real estate assets. So this is a real estate blockchain or token. They're working with the Lakeland Group, or they took a significant portion of substantial shares in the Lakeland Group. And this is a cryptocurrency and blockchain company based in London. Let's take a look here. And they're also going to have this. They're working with the exchange La Token. If you look here, and this will be a PBT coin for trading. And it looks like Lakeland and HMNU will begin aggressively marketing this token to consumers in July of 2021. The terms of the agreement provides for HMNU to contribute to the initial finance commitment of $4,600,000, so $4.6 million before June 10th. And HMNU's issued 40% of the outstanding shares of the Lakeland Group. So they're buying for $4.6 million, 40% of this company. And now they're basically getting into the blockchain, and there will be and this will be also tying it to real estate. So very interesting here, especially with the share structure. We know if they can, if they can get this going with involved in real estate and get this token some momentum or some exposure, this stock with the share structure can absolutely fly. And again, you can see they've been active, obviously, and then also on June 15th, they announced a strategic acquisition of substantial shares of Venetian Cluster. And I'm looking here. Let's see, through its services, Venetian Cluster coordinates in Italy 800 companies and 24 bodies such as universities, research centers, public bodies, and laboratories. So it looks like it's into the medical. So they're picking up a portion of this company. And then also on the 22nd, agreement with medical technology company Tech VSA. Let's see here. The agreement with a Swiss well-being company. Let's see here. So this is another basically growing their footprint in the medical industry as well too. So not only is this company aggressively growing with acquisitions, they're getting into the blockchain and real estate with a token that they will be aggressively, putting out there and advertising probably within the next couple weeks, I would imagine. This is actually looking pretty good. And if you look at the balance sheet here, for the date of March 31st, ending in the March 31st, 2021, they have cash on hand. So we don't have issues with that. If you go to their Twitter page right here, now they're actively tweeting. They've had their Twitter page since April 2020. Just on July 8th, the company's subsidiary, Seta Green Energy, completed permits for the completion of a 20-ton capacity recycling plant in Sardinia, Italy. Meeting with their partners in Switzerland. It says the recycling plant will commence initial recycling of over 7 million tons of plastic per year and generate in the excess of 17 million kilowatts of green energy with a gross annual income of, looks like 3 billion euros. We'll be providing further details in a press release. So we should be getting a press release very soon on this. If that's accurate, that's an awfully big number right there. That's close to about $4.6 billion. But I don't know if they meant million or billion, but we will see, because the press release will be coming out soon. So I'd probably, if you're interested in the company, take a look and go follow them at HMNU _1. Let's take a look here. And I want to say here, follow at Money is for Real. At Money is for Real. Money is for Real. Put this out here, gave me some information on the company, and kind of gave me the heads up. So really like this company. I want to thank them for giving me the heads up on this thing. I looked into it and it looks really good. Share structure is great. Company has revenues, no debt. Looks like they're paying cash for acquisitions. They've got the token coming in the future. So this is something I really just started looking into it the day before yesterday, and again, I'm researching probably 20-30 stocks a day, so I definitely want to get deeper into this. So before you buy, realize I am not a financial advisor. I'm just on here giving you my research, giving you some ideas of the plays that I like. I would advise you do your own research and see if these plays, or this play in particular, is a fit for your portfolio or your trading style. But again, I am very excited about this one. This one has that UAMM type run written all over it, where I can see this thing run into 16, 17, 18 cents on some news. Very low float, and this thing, any good news is going to send this puppy flying. So I'm not saying it's a long hold for now. I'm doing more research to see if that's the case, but for right now, this is definitely about a 30-day swing in my portfolio right now, and then we will reevaluate going forward. But very excited about this one and see big gains going forward. So I do appreciate you watching. Thank you for your time. As always, please like, please share, please subscribe. Any comments or questions, please put them in the comment section below. And as always, traders, let's get that money.